let's begin. Today we're going to start with a Philly roll. If you look inside your kit, you'll see the following ingredients. You'll take a sheet of nori, a ball of rice, 2 pieces of smoked salmon, a ribbon of cream cheese, and 2 slices of avocado. You'll want to place your nori horizontally on your cutting board so it's facing east to west. Then you'll want to spread the rice evenly. Watch as Chef Mia shows you how to spread the rice. You'll take it and go from left to right. Make sure it covers all of the sheet of nori. You'll want to push away from you and go towards the corners, and then pull towards you, move to those corners, making sure that all 4 edges have rice all the way to the final edge. Now you can flip it over and place it on your maki-su. That's your wrapped rolling mat. Take a ribbon of cream cheese and spread it evenly across the middle. Perfect. Now take your avocado, take 2 to 3 slices of that, and spread that evenly right in front of your cream cheese, and then 2 pieces of smoked salmon. And now you're ready to roll. Pull the sheet of nori about 1 inch away from the maki-su, hold everything firm, and then tuck the maki-su edge all the way in where the rice touches the edge of the nori. Then pull the edge of the maki-su out, and then continue rolling away from you. Now you can shape it and form it, and perfect, you have a roll. You did it. Now the only thing you have left is to tuck in the end so everything stays inside when you cut it. Press on each side. There you go. You see how it stays nice and tight? Now you're ready to cut it. To demonstrate cutting, Chef Mia is going to use a California roll, but it's the same concept. 1 slice right down the middle, then place the 2 cylinders, one in front of the other, and now you're going to make 3 more cuts. The trick for cutting a roll is to apply even pressure and move your knife across the roll as you go down. This way you're not smashing the roll as you cut it. And then to plate it, you'll put 2 pieces on the bottom and then stack 2 by 2 at a 45-degree angle facing up. Next up is the California roll. You'll need to grab a sheet of nori, a ball of rice, 2 pieces of crab stick, 2 slices of cucumber, and 2 to 3 slices of avocado, and some sesame seeds. After you've spread the rice as you did in the first step, sprinkle your sesame seeds generously across the roll. If it's moving too fast, you can hit pause or rewind whenever you need to. Take your sheet of nori with rice and then put it face down on the maki-su. Next, you'll put 2 to 3 slices of avocado in the center. Now you'll unwrap your kanikama. Make sure you take the wrap off. You don't want to get the plastic inside your roll. You'll put your 2 pieces of kanikama inside. Next, you'll put 2 pieces of cucumber in front of that. Now you're ready to roll. Once again, put it about 1 inch from the edge of the maki-su. You pull that forward. You'll want to make sure that you tuck it inside, so you'll push that lip all the way down till it makes that seal. Once it starts to stick, you'll know that you're good. I'm going to show you from the side angle so you can see. It'll tuck all the way down, then you'll pull the edge of the maki-su out from under, and then roll it forward. And that is your California roll. You'll cut it just the way you did your Philly roll earlier. And you'll plate it the same way. Next up, we are going to make a veggie roll. This one will be a little bit different. We'll have the seaweed outside and the rice inside. You'll take your sheet of nori, a ball of rice, 2 pieces of bell pepper, your cucumber, a slice of avocado, and an asparagus spear for this one. This is a north-south roll, so the way you spread rice will be just a little bit different. So pay attention as Chef Mia shows you how to do it. You'll take your rice and put it right in the center. On your edges from left to right, you'll go all the way out to the edge, but on your top and bottom, you'll leave a little bit of room. And you'll want to spread just a little bit of rice up top to make it stick. Now, add your bell pepper, your avocado, a couple of slices of cucumber, and your asparagus spear. Once everything is tucked inside, you're going to grab your maki-su and move this down. You'll keep the seaweed side touching the maki-su now. This one you'll have about a ½ inch rather than an inch on the edge. You'll tuck that seaweed in where it touches the rice. So the same idea of tucking, but this time you're tucking the seaweed into the rice rather than the rice into the seaweed. Sometimes as you're rolling, some of the ingredients will pop out a little bit. That's not a problem. You can just kind of toss them off to the side. Now continue tucking the roll and forming it. Once that tuck has started to take the seal, you can roll it all the way over, and now you have your cylinder. With a roll like this, sometimes the ingredients will push out of the side, but that's easy to fix. You can either push them back in there, or you can leave them out. Chef Mia is showing you how to form them back in there. Pressing each end, using the maki-su to hold the roll, and then pressing on each side. Perfect, you've done it. Now we will cut the roll. This roll will be cut into 6 equal-sized pieces, so it will require 5 cuts, moving from right to left. Now, it is time to make a New York roll. So take a sheet of nori, a ball of rice, 3 pieces of ebi shrimp, 2 slices of cucumber, 2 to 3 slices of avocado, and some sesame seeds. But just to make things a little bit more interesting, you're going to do it all on your own. So remember how you made the California roll. And you'll do it the same way, but you'll use shrimp instead of the crab eggs. But if you don't feel comfortable doing that, you can go back to 3 minutes and 35 seconds on this video to find where we start making the California roll. And just remember, do it the same way, but use the shrimp instead of crab. Now that you've finished your online sushi rolling class, enjoy your rolls. We hope you had a good time, and hopefully this made your back to school week just a little bit easier. Thanks. We hope to see you again soon.